If you sank deep enough into the ocean, one of the first colors to disappear would be red. And in that darkness, some animals use that missing color like an invisibility cloak. Not by changing shape, not by becoming transparent, but by wearing a color the deep ocean cannot see. Near the surface, sunlight looks white because it carries many colors together. But as light travels downward, the ocean begins to strip away those colors, one by one. Red wavelengths are absorbed early, long before the deepest creatures ever see the sun. By the time you reach the deep sea, red has almost become a memory. So an animal that looks bright red under our lamps can look black in its real world. What seems colorful to us may be perfect camouflage to everything hunting below. This is not magic, it is physics, evolution, and survival, all happening in darkness. The deeper you go, the stranger the rules of visibility become. In shallow water, camouflage means matching sand, coral, rocks, or plants. But in the deep sea, there are no reefs glowing with sunlight around you. There is only darkness, pressure, cold water, and the faintest rain of falling particles. That falling material is called marine snow, and for many animals, it is food from another world. In this place, being seen can mean becoming dinner in a matter of seconds. So life in the abyss has invented more than one way to disappear. Some animals turn transparent, letting the little light that exists pass straight through them. Some fish become silver, reflecting the dim blue world around them like living mirrors. Others become so black that they absorb light instead of sending it back. And then there are the red animals, hiding by using the color that vanished first. Under our lamps, they look dramatic, crimson, almost impossible to miss. But remove that light and the same body can fade into a shadow. The animal does not have to run, the ocean hides it for free. This is why so many deep-sea crustaceans are colored red or orange. In the world above, red announces itself. In the world below, red disappears. Imagine a red shrimp floating at 900 meters, surrounded by nothing but black water. To us, it is beautiful. To a predator, it may be almost invisible. A red crab crawling over the seafloor can look like a moving patch of darkness. A red jelly drifting in the water can become a ghost without needing to be clear. In the deep ocean, invisibility is not one trick, it is an entire language. And one of the strangest speakers of that language is the vampire squid. Its name sounds monstrous, but it does not hunt like the monster people imagine. It gathers drifting particles, feeding on the slow rain of organic material from above. Its body can look dark red, but in the deep, that color becomes part of its disguise. And if danger comes too close, it has another secret: living light. Tiny blue lights at the tips of its arms can confuse attention in total darkness. The deep sea is not simply dark, it is full of controlled flashes, signals, and traps. Some lights attract prey, some lights distract predators, some lights hide the body behind them. In this world, light is not just something you see with, it is something you use. But red camouflage has one dangerous weakness: a predator carrying its own red light. Some dragonfish can shine red light, exposing animals that thought red made them safe. To most creatures, that beam may be invisible. To the dragonfish, it becomes a private searchlight. This turns the deep ocean into an arms race fought with colors almost no one can see. Every adaptation creates another adaptation, and every hiding place eventually meets a hunter. For scientists, studying this world is difficult because our own lights change what we see. The moment a submersible arrives, the animals are no longer in their natural darkness. Our cameras reveal color, but they also create a version of the ocean that predators may never see. That means every deep-sea image carries a question. Is this what the animal looks like, or what our light created? The abyss teaches us that seeing is never neutral. It depends on the light available. A red animal in sunlight is a warning. A red animal in the abyss is a vanishing act. The same color that attracts human eyes can protect an animal from eyes built for another world. This is why the deep ocean feels alien, even though it belongs to our own planet. It is not a different universe, it is Earth, seen under rules we almost never experience. Down there, color is not decoration, color is shelter, deception, and survival. And sometimes the best way to hide is to become a color the ocean has already erased. So the next time you see red, remember that somewhere below, red may mean invisible. In the deepest parts of our planet, darkness does not erase life, it teaches life how to disappear.